the time has come. It is lunchtime, and I'm so excited to be sharing this HelloFresh meal with you guys today. But before I jump the gun, let me inform you a little bit more about HelloFresh in case you're unfamiliar. HelloFresh is a meal delivery service, so you're going to get all of these amazing ingredients here, along with the very detailed recipe cards for you to put these amazing meals together. Speaking of amazing, HelloFresh has more 5-star recipes than any other meal kit service. Not only that, but for me, it is all about time, and it saves me so much time. A lot of these meals are like 30 minutes and under, so that is key, especially here in this house, you guys, to get the food on the table real quick. And because of its being pre-portioned, I don't waste nearly as much food. No, let me change that. We never waste our HelloFresh food ever because everything is already pre-portioned out, and they are incredibly flexible. You can add extra dinners or extra protein to your meals.